Hi guys, this is Mary. You're watching Cardz TV. Like so many of you, I love close to my heart products, and today I've got a card making workshop your way called So Many Candles. It comes with this cute little stamp set. We have a stamp that says so many candles, so little cake. That's cute. And then we have a cute little birthday cake down here with lots of candles on it. We've got happy birthday. We've got some balloons with HB to you. There's a tiny little stamp that looks like confetti. We have a confetti border. And then we have another stamp that says, age is strictly a case of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Those are super cute. And as always, you're going to get 12 pre-scored card bases with 12 envelopes. This kit comes with one of my favorite close to my heart products, these gorgeous gold glitter gems. I just love these. You get large and small. You're going to get a instruction book, and there's enough supplies in here to make 6 each of these 2 cards with all the cutting guides and the instructions for putting both cards together. And it tells you about your stamping and everything. So if you're new to card making, this is perfect for you. Now let's look at our papers. We're going to get 2 of this double-sided paper, and I think this is so cute. I love this black background with the pretty little yellow, pink, and blue flowers. We've got that awesome zip strip at the top you can use for a border. And then the reverse side is this beautiful blue and white diagonal striped. You'll get a sheet of black cardstock, a sheet of pixie in that pretty pink, and a sheet of daisy white. Now you can, as I said, make 6 each of these 2 cards, but you know I like to do my own thing, so I'm going to grab a card base and cut some of this beautiful paper, and we're going to put together a card today. For our card, I've grabbed one of the white card bases and folded it in half, and it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then I took a piece of the pixie cardstock and I cut it at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. That's going to go down first on the front of the card base. And then I took that sweet little flowered paper, it's the reverse side of the stripe, and I cut it at 4 by 5 1/4, and that's going to go on top of that pixie cardstock. And I wanted to put a border across the center, so I took a piece of the pixie cardstock and cut it at 1 1/2 inches by 4 inches, and the reverse side of the flowers I cut at 1 3/8 by 4 inches. Now I'm going to get all of this adhered together with my art glitter glue and then get that on the front of the card. What I love about having the double-sided papers is if you wanted to do the blue and white stripe for the background, just flip this over, and then you could flip this to the flowered side, and you've got 2 different looks for the same card. Now next, I took the stamp set and some Memento Tuxedo black ink, and I took this cute stamp, So Many Candles, So Little Cake, and I stamped it on a square of the white cardstock that I cut out with this stitched square die. And to back that, I cut a piece of the pixie. This is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, and I'm going to get that adhered together. And I put my border piece not in the center, but down a little bit towards the bottom, because this is going to go right here. And if you'll notice, I put my stamp over closer to the left-hand side, because then I cut a circle with a stitched circle die and took that stamp set and stamped this cute little birthday cake with some Memento Tuxedo black ink. And I've colored the candles pale pink to match the pixie cardstock, and then I took a yellow marker to color the flames. I've got this on some foam tape, And I'm just going to put that right there like that. I went ahead and added those beautiful gold glitter gems to this card. Oh my goodness, I love it. Didn't it turn out cute? It was so quick and easy, and I've still got tons of supplies left that I can also make several of these cards. Now guys, I know you're going to want to go and see my Close to My Heart consultant, who is Linda, and I'm going to give you a direct link to this kit because I know you're going to want to pick this up so you can get some cards into your card stash for birthdays. We always need birthday cards, don't we guys? And this kit is so super cute. So I'm going to leave you a link down below this video on my blog as well as on YouTube so you can go and get one of these kits for yourself. This is the Close to My Heart card making workshop your way called So Many Candles, and it is adorable. Thanks so much for coming by today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've sure had fun making this card with you, and I hope to see you again soon where I'll make another card. Bye now.